Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, USB adapter. Take a ride in the 2018 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.